This is a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. It's got the 6.4 Hemi in it. We're going to film the diagnostic process and with a bit of luck, the repair process too, subject to what the customer approves. It's come in with a misfire on cylinder 7, which is a super common issue with these, which makes us automatically assume that it's going to be a worn out cam lobe caused by the MDS and the lifter failure. However, it turns out that it's not that. So let's get into it. Basically, the first thing that happened is the customer showed us a set of spark plugs that he's put in it. It's never ever spark plugs on these. When they're misfiring, it's not spark plugs. However, the spark plugs the customer gave us had a heap of impact damage, and I'll show you them. I've got them upstairs on my desk. But for now, we've pulled one of the plugs out. We're going to put the camera in and have a look, inspect inside the cylinder and find out what's going on. All right, so we have the little doctor's bum camera. We're going to stick down the spark tube hole. Look, you can see Gordon filming. Ooh. But let's show the... It's actually a pretty U-boot little thing. There we go. All right, there we go, that's better. So this is actually the cylinder head. So our little camera's gone in through the spark plug hole, done a U-turn and is looking back at the way it came in. So that's the top of the cylinder head that's had a whole heap of impact damage. Chunk of piston bouncing around in there, which we can't actually find. So I don't know where that's gone. We'll have to pull the head off to find out where that went. There's also bits of spark plug that are probably, there's possibly a bit of spark plug embedded in the head up there. So if we go back to the piston, there you go. You see that big chunk of piston missing? You can actually see piston ring there on the left-hand side of the screen. So this is caused by stage 2 cam upgrade and a very aggressive tune. This is actually the first time we've ever seen it, but we've spoken to a couple of engine builders who say they see it quite a bit on the Hemis. You can't put stage 2 and really aggressive tunes in these Jeeps. They're just too heavy.
Need forged pistons.
Yeah, spend some more money. That big piece of piston missing. How's your coffee, Tyler? All right. So, next step, heads have to come off. But at this stage, more than likely just a new motor to start with. So not a cam this time. Tyler, can you put the spark plug back in so we can drive this out?